Well, it's time for, you guessed it, end of day video. So we got the windshield frame in. Hardest part was getting this lower seal on. That was actually kind of a, it's tough. Anyway, we got that. And I put the rocker molding carpet pieces on. The only problem was, we bought this carpet probably 5 years ago and it was all folded up in a bag. And the carpet pieces kind of took creases in them where they were folded. And hopefully those will come out. And I also got the corner pieces in. And that was pretty much it for today, I think. Yep, that was it. Well, later.